In this video, I'll show you how you can use WeTransfer to send videos. So I'm going to show you how to do this with these videos here. I'm going to upload some videos. I'm going to share the video files with somebody here as an example, and I'll show you how easy it is to use because WeTransfer is surprisingly easy. So all you need to do is come to Google on any web browser and then type in WeTransfer. Now, once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on WeTransfer.com. It'll be the first one to appear. Now, once you're inside of WeTransfer, you may or may not be logged in, depending on if you've used it before. If you're not signed in, you need to go ahead and accept the terms and conditions and then click I agree again. Now, you are going to be able to upload your files and send them to other people. With the free version, the files or the videos can be up to 3 gigabytes. So what you can do is you can either upload folders or files. Now, as you can see, with my videos, I've got the videos in one big folder. So what I could do is create a new folder with all of the videos I wanted to send. This will be good if I'm sending multiple videos for one project. So let me go ahead and create a new folder here, and I'll just call these videos, and we'll go ahead and select some videos. I'm just going to right click, copy, and then paste a copy into this folder. This way we can collate all of the videos into a folder, and we can then go ahead and send over this folder. So this is a videos folder. So what we can do, we can go ahead and click on add files or add folders. So in our case, add folders. Then we'll go to the video folder, we'll select it, we'll click upload. That's going to upload all of the files inside of the folder. Remember, that was 3 files. Click upload and it should then upload the files. This will be very quick if you've got quick internet. Now what you can do from here, you can go ahead and either send it as an email or create a download link. Either work, and it really is up to you. If you want to change from either one, click on the 3 dots in the bottom right hand corner. If you were to send it by email, you are going to need the person's email. You can send it to up to 3 people. So you would write their email, your own email, and a message. For this video though, we'll just create a link. So I'll change it to create a link. And if you're creating a link, you only need your email and a message. So I'm going to enter in my email now. So we've filled out all of those forms. We can then change the expiration date as well. And you can then click get a link. It will ask you to confirm your email address so it isn't spam. Once you've got that code, you can go ahead and then enter it and click verify and send. I'm going to click no thanks here. It's then going to transfer the files. And once this goes to 100%, it will give you a link which you can then share with other people. If you've chosen the email option, an email will be sent to the recipient and they will be then able to download your videos. So just like that, here is the link. We could then go ahead and copy and send this to somebody. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.